What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Super Unique and today we're going to be making a budget friendly acai bowl. So me personally, I love acai bowls. I spend like probably $10-12 per bowl. So I think I only paid $14 for all of these ingredients. Some of these ingredients, you already have them, so you're good to go for multiple bowls. So I'm going to be making multiple bowls for the price of one bowl. Hello, like, do the math, girl. Just do it yourself. So let's get right into it. All of my ingredients I got from Walmart, and once I saw these acai smoothie bags, I was like, oh yeah, I have to get one of those. So you can make a smoothie with it, or you can make an acai bowl. It is recommended to use 2 packets of these for the acai bowl. I think 1 will be fine, but since I'm making it for me and my man, I'm gonna use 2. I just love how this is packaged. Like, this is so cute. One banana going in. A whole banana. Cut them out. Hopefully that blends. I don't know. I don't be liking those acai bowls with apple juice, and they be a little bit watery, so I'm gonna be using my Chobani Greek yogurt. Okay. I got vanilla. I know I could have got plain, but this is my life. Okay, let me live it. Alright girlie, now we're going to put this acai bowl together. We blended all the ingredients. Now I cut up some bananas. And I cut up 2 strawberries and a handful of blueberries. And this should be enough for 2 acai bowls. Okay. Girl. We got the base. Oh, okay, you're cute, you're cute. I'm so proud of myself right now. We're going to put some granola. And all these ingredients I got from Walmart, girl. Handful of granola. We're going to put some coconut flakes. The key to romanticizing your fitness journey is to make it fun. And boom, there you go. You got your acai bowl. Look at you, look at you. So peanut butter is optional. My man doesn't really like peanut butter, but I'm going to put peanut butter on mine. So I'll show you both of the bowls when they're done. This is my bowl. I decided to add peanut butter. And this is his bowl. Get some bananas, a berry. That tastes just like the store. Just like the store. And I like peanut butter. The only thing I'm missing right now is some honey. But other than that, it's perfect. If you're trying to make acai bowls at home, it's super easy. Save some money and just do it yourself. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys for tuning in. And make sure you make one of these bowls and thank me later.